Hi there. Today on Novatools, we'll be learning how to make changes to the information guests will see about your company when you invite them to collaborate on Novatools. To get started, here we are looking at the Guest Sessions view, where we can see the guest perspective when collaborating with our company. To adjust this information, I will click on my profile in the top right-hand corner, followed by Account Settings. On the Account Settings page, I need to scroll down to Team Management, Name and Link. Here, I can make changes to our team name, add the link to our website, and down below, I can provide a description about our company. In addition, I've added our logo, and I've changed the brand colors to match our desired text color and our background color. To view the changes we've made, I can simply go back to the Guest Sessions page to check it out. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.